So my dear students, once again, today I congratulate all of you again because now most of the students have joined. I congratulate all of you again for a wonderful result. You must have seen it, and all the students have made the Petrine family proud. All those who have joined for the first time, we welcome them in the class and hope that they will continue to join the class hence onward. So now be serious about your class 11th studies. Attendance is must. Every day your attendance is taken, and make sure that you are present all the time. Make sure that you are present all the time. In your class 11th, make it a point that you will score at least 15 to 20% more than what you have scored in class 10. Class 11th, everybody is new. Everybody knows nothing about class 11, about commerce. So this is a plus point for you, that nobody knows more than everybody knows almost equal, means knows nothing. So you can start new, you can start fresh. Everybody will give their 100%, more than 100%, to bring them up in comparison to what they were in the previous classes. Okay, Sanjana, keep camera on. Sanjana and Kush. Today I will tell you about banking services, and in banking services, many of the services you are aware of. You are aware of the locker facility provided by the bank. You must be aware of the different ATM facility, messages facility. You must be aware of that bank provides you different facility to transfer money from one account to another account, right? Yeah. So today I will tell you about number one, bank draft or demand draft. In your book, wherever it is written, underline it, and if you find something worth noting, please note it down also. I may ask you to raise your notebook and show me what have you written. What have you written? So keep noting it down properly. Sanjana and Anurag, still cameras are not on. Sanjana, Hers, Anurag. A bank draft is a instrument which is issued by bank, for transfer of money or transfer of funds from a particular account or a company's account payable in some other city or branch. Payable in some other city or in some other branch. What you do, you go to a bank, you ask them to prepare a bank draft or demand draft in favor of somebody in Lucknow, somebody in some other place. You want to transfer money to them, especially at the time of admissions in different colleges, especially to deposit some fees. The demand draft or bank draft is required. In this, bank will prepare a bank draft or demand draft from your side, and bank will deduct that amount from your account and transfer that amount to that particular person or party to whom you want to make the payment, Now, what is the difference between check and this demand draft? Check can be bounced. But this demand draft can never, because in demand draft, first bank will collect money from you, or first bank will deduct the amount from your account. Then it will transfer the amount to the second party or the third party. So there is no case of getting it bounced or dishonored. We call it dishonored. Amount is written in that. Bank take the guarantee. Your bank takes the guarantee of making the payment in that particular account or in that particular bank. It is issued when the other party does not want checks. Now Number 2, after bank overdraft, bank draft, sorry. Number 2 is banker's check or pay order. Banker's check or pay order. It is a check issued in your favor. It is a check issued by the bank, and in this also amount is transferred from one account to the another account. If you do not have a checkbook, you may go and ask the bank and it will issue you a check, and amount will be transferred. It is very much similar type of check. Number 3 is important, RTGS. RTGS, real time gross settlement. Real time gross settlement. There are 2 words, underline them. In real time means the funds are transferred. You know, these days only online transfers are there. Funds are transferred very quickly. Funds are transferred very quickly from one account to another account. RTGS is controlled by Reserve Bank of India, RBI. RTGS is normally operated by those firms or companies, is used by those firms or companies which have huge transfer. But a minimum 2 lakh rupees can be transferred from RTGS. Matlab, you cannot transfer amount less than 2 lakh via RTGS. RTGS, real time. Real time का meaning है यहाँ पर that money will be transferred within seconds. Gross settlement. GS means gross settlement. Gross settlement means one-to-one basis. Your transaction is over, next transaction. Your transaction is over, next transaction. Then the third, then the fourth. One-to-one basis. One after the other, the transactions are settled. The transactions are done. Okay? And इसमें आपको you need bank account number, you need IFSC code of the bank, and amount can be transferred very quickly. The payment made through RTGS is irrecoverable. मतलब एक बार payment हो गई, the amount cannot be recovered. So you have to be very, very clear about it. RTGS facility can be used only in India. You can transfer funds only in India through RTGS. So some of the major points are RTGS funds can be transferred immediately. Minimum of 2 lakh rupees can be transferred. It is governed and operated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, right? Or IFSC code and the bank account number is needed. Very importantly, इसमें fixed charges लगते हैं depending upon the bank and the amount you are transferring. Less than 2 lakh rupees you cannot transfer. It should be more than 2 lakh rupees. Number next is NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. National Electronic Fund Transfer also is similar to RTGS, but here you can transfer small amounts also. In National Electronic Fund Transfer, there is time. Transactions are done at 9:30, 10:30, 12, 13, 15 and 16. 9:30, 10:30, 12. Then 1 o'clock, then 3 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock. Only at this time your amount will be transferred. So suppose you have done a transaction on 9:15, it will be transferred only at 9:30. There is a fixed time in NEFT when your transactions are done. And on the Saturday, the transfer is done last at 1300 hours. 1300 hours means it is 1 o'clock, 1300 hour, 1 p.m. Right? In this you can transfer small amount also. There is no restriction like RTGS, where you have to transfer minimum, you can only transfer 2 lakh rupees. Minimum 2 lakh rupees can be transferred. But in this, you can transfer small amounts also, right? इसमें भी आपको you require bank name, amount to be transferred, your account type, right? Bank charges are also there. Whatever different banks charges, you have to pay to them, and you get the facility of this transfer. All these services which I am explaining you today, they are related to mostly the transfer of funds from one account to another. Number next is bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is the facility given to the customer to withdraw more than what is in his account. To withdraw more than what is in his account. To withdraw more than what is in his account means if a businessman has 50,000 in his account, he can also withdraw 70,000, means 20,000 more, depending upon his credit limit, which is set by the bank, seeing his past transactions, his status, his guarantee, and the number of transactions he does, or the type of customer he is in past with the bank, right? 20,000, 50,000, the limit is set by the bank. Most of the businessmen avail this opportunity, and it means to say bank overdraft facility is only available with the current account holders. It is only available with the current account holders. Only current account holders can avail the facility of this bank overdraft. All those whose cameras are not on, please on it. I will have to take your names now and remove you from the class. If you go off this time, I will remove you from the class. Make it sure. Okay. The next one is cash credit. Cash credit is a short loan. Cash in the form of credit. कोई भी short loan which you take from bank or from any other sources, that is known as cash credit. छोटा मोटा उधार, cash credit. That depends how much time you for how much time you want it, and the rate of interest differs from person to person, and it is very important for businessmen to have the accessibility to small cash transactions, small cash which he can arrange from here and there. Now I would like to ask Anurag. Anurag will explain what is NEFT. Don't know, Kushpreet, what is NEFT? Okay. Kushpreet also does not want to answer. Those who are not answering, it is going on record. This is test. This is your class test live. If you are not answering, it goes into your record as minus. Please, who will answer? Tamanna, please answer. What is NEFT?
The National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Okay, explain.
Sir, it is a the National Electronic Fund Transfer is a mode of transferring funds from one bank to another, but of the same branch.
Okay, whatever you can tell, please tell.
So I know only this
Record.
one.
Okay, Arjun Singh,
Yes, sir.
please explain NEFT if you know.
NEFT.
No answer.
No, sir.
Yes, Prince.
It is an electronic fund transfer system that enables customers in India to transfer funds between any two NEFT-enabled accounts, bank accounts.
Okay, good. So all those who are answering, it goes into your record as your marks. As your marks, they go to your record as your marks. Okay. Afterwards, this would be added to your unit tests or the term exams. So mind it, you have to participate in the class, respond to the teacher whenever anything is asked, whenever your name is taken, you have to respond. Either you say, I know the answer. If you do not know, then also you have to say, sir, I don't know, or I cannot understand, or I will try next time. Just don't be quiet. Don't be quiet. Don't remain silent. Don't remain silent, showing that you have not heard me, showing that there is some net problem. Kush Piplani, what is RTGS?
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Kush Piplani. You have to say something. If you don't know, say, sir, I don't know.
I don't know.
You are sitting in the class. Just now it is explained. Book is in front of you. You just don't want to pay attention or what? It means you are not listening. At least 1 point, 2 points you can tell about RTGS or NEFT, bank overdraft. These are the banking services and very common banking services. I told you in all these funds are transferred from one account to another account. At least you can tell that. At least something of the answer you should tell. No? Something of the answer you should tell. So that there is no negative marking for you. I move on to Harsh Pant. Can you tell me what is bank overdraft? Harsh Pant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I don't know.
Harsh Pant. Bank overdraft. Please explain.
Sir, I don't know. I can't understand.
Okay, he does not know it. Anybody who can tell, please unmute yourself and answer. Vasundhara,
Yes, sir.
overdraft.
Sir, don't know.
Don't know, you are not listening. I am not talking about rocket science. If you are in the class, be attentive. Next time, you should tell me the answer.
Okay, sir.
Suhani, yes. Suhani is raising hand. Yes, please. Bank overdraft. Suhani. Speak out. Suhani, speak out. Okay, her audio is not getting unmuted. And then after this, there is e-banking. Whatever we talked about today was related to internet banking only. Internet banking, e-banking, you are familiar with electronic banking, which is also known as internet banking. And in this, you have already come to know that internet banking has made our life very much easier. Internet banking has given us so much now. You know, internet banking through you do your work very quickly, you see, to open an account, to transfer money, ATM, to withdraw money from the bank. These are the ATM. Anybody can tell me the full form of ATM? Sanjana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Automatic
Sanjana.
tally machine.
Okay. Sanjana, what is ATM? Full form?
The automatic tally machine.
Kushpreet?
Yes, sir. Automatic tally machine.
Automated teller machine. Automated.
Machine.
Automatic it is. Automatic. Teller machine.
Automatic.
Or it is also in short or in common language, it is also known as anytime money. ATM. Anytime money. Anytime you can go and withdraw money from ATM. In some of the ATM, you have the facility to deposit the money also. You can deposit the money through ATM also. So this is a very good facility provided by the bank. E-banking, debit card and credit card. How many of you have debit cards, ATM debit cards? How many of you have? Raise your hands. Anybody having ATM debit card? Anybody? Nobody has? Have you seen ATM debit cards? Raise your hands. ATM debit cards, have you seen? Please raise your hand. So ATM debit card is a card which is provided by the bank, and you swipe it in the ATM machine or insert it in the ATM machine, give your account type, saving or current, and then give the password, and the money can be withdrawn after entering the amount. Debit card, it is called ATM debit card. Debit card means you can only withdraw the amount which is deposited in your bank. That is debit card. There is one more, ATM credit card. In credit card, you can withdraw more amount than you have in your bank, because bank sets a credit limit for you, and you can withdraw money from the bank more than the amount which is deposited there. That is the difference between ATM debit card and credit card. Then there are benefits of e-banking, advantages or merits of e-banking, which I will ask you tomorrow. Okay, you read this and make notes in your book. Keep your work updated. Get your notebooks checked time to time from me, and inform your friends about the class, that they have to join the class regularly. All those who have joined for the first time, I once again congratulate them and welcome to the class again. And I am sure that they will join the class regularly from tomorrow onwards. Today also we had got very good strength. Around 38 students were present. Okay, and at a time, and it is very good. Slowly the number will increase. Now you all have got the result also. Now focus on class 11. If you focus on class 11 properly, you can raise your percentage by 15 to 20% and get promoted to class 12. If you are not regular to the class, afterwards you will find it difficulty, because this attendance and your class performance, online class performance and attendance will be a major criteria in your promotion. When you will be promoted to next class, all these things will be taken care of, taken into consideration. So please be regular, be sincere, keep your work updated, stay at home and be safe. God bless all of you. Take care of yourself. Thank you.